Hello guys, good morning. Let's have some tea and look at my plants. I have planted some money plants and some other plants, as you can see. It's really refreshing to watch them in the morning. So guys, please do comment what plants do you have at your house and do you love planting or not. I'm solving RCs in the morning because at that point of time my mind is very calm and I find it good to solve RC. So this is the timetable for today. I am solving sequence and series now and it's really an interesting chapter. What about you guys? Do you like solving sequence and series questions? It's really good, right? Please do let me know. Now my college lectures will start, so let's take a break and start with college classes. So guys, please let me know how do you handle your college lectures along with your CAT studies and assignments, and the people who are doing jobs, please also let me know about how is the experience handling your work and your CAT coaching. Guys, it's like only three and not three, we can say 4 months left for our exam, and it's really high time we need to study properly. So I'm finding it a bit difficult to study along with my college classes and assignments. Please do let me know your timetable so that I can also try to implement them, and you can also look at my timetable, and if you find it good, please let me know. So in between class I was checking the score of hockey in the Olympics and sadly we lost. Anyways guys, we should pray that they will win in the next Olympics. So finally last lecture, and after that I will have something to eat. Let's see. By the way guys, who all wait for the classes to get over to have something to eat? I really think what to eat in the last lecture. So guys, I'm having lays now, and after that we will start with our CAT preparations. Thank you guys for watching this video. The next part will come soon, so if you like the video, please do like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.